and Julia Sondu, showing you where development is happening. Please come and join us. Obi Cubana plans massive investment in Abia. Billionaire businessman and founder of Cubana Group, Obinna Iyiegbu, popularly called Obi Cubana, is planning a mega factory in Abia State. The billionaire has begun the process of acquiring land to enable him to expand his footprints in Abia. Billionaire businessman Obi Cubana meets Abia Governor Otti. Prominent billionaire businessman Obinna Iyiegbu, popularly known as Obi Cubana, paid a courtesy visit to the governor of Abia State, Alex Otti, on Sunday. The meeting took place at the governor's residence in Envosi, Isialingwa South LGA, Abia State. Obi Cubana, known for his successful business ventures, expressed his commitment to establishing a significant portion of his business in Abia. Governor Otti said, I quote, "Today, I played host to a renowned business tycoon and investor Obinna Iyiegbu, popularly known as Obi Cubana, and his brother Ike Iyiegbu at my residence in Envosi, Isialingwa South LGA, Abia State." While he emphasized that he does not visit governors, he had to visit given our pedigree. He said the positive things we have started doing have made a lot of people want to come back and invest here. He promised to set up a major part of his business in Abia, as he is already in the process of acquiring land to build industries that will employ people in God's own state. Obinna Iyiegbu, born the 12th of April 1975, best known as Obi Cubana, is a Nigerian businessman, socialist, entertainer and philanthropist. He currently chairs the Cubana Group. Iyiegbu was born on the 12th of April 1975 in Anambra State, and his mother is Ezina Iyiegbu. He is from Oba in Idemili South local government area of Anambra State. He is married to Ebele Iyiegbu. They have 4 children together, namely Alex, Afenyi, Abube and Kasisachukwu. His early schooling was at Central Primary School before attending Dennis Memorial Grammar School for his secondary education. After his secondary education, he proceeded to University of Nigeria, Nsukka, where he graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science in 1998. He was conferred an honorary doctorate degree from the Enugu State University of Technology, ESUT, on the 26th of November 2022. Iyiegbu is the chairman, founder of the Cubana Group. Iyiegbu's career as an entrepreneur started in 2006 when he founded a nightclub called Ibiza Club in Abuja. In 2009, he established a hospitality club called Cubana in Owerri, Imo State. Other establishments under the Cubana Group include Opium by Cubana, Owerri; The Grind by Cubana, Lagos; Montana by Cubana, Lagos; Pablo by Cubana, Lagos; Cubana Signature, Abuja; Putso by Cubana, Abuja; Caledonian Sweets, Abuja; Crave by Cubana, Abuja; Hustle and Bustle, Abuja; Grand Cubana Hotels, Abuja and Cubana Gustavo, Enugu. Abba Power lights a new era in the Southeast. Vice President Kashim Shettima made 2 crucial stops in the Southeast on Monday the 27th of February 2024, all connected with power and the region's progress. At Enugu, Shettima launched the Southeast leg of the Light Up Nigeria project as part of the Southeast Business Roundtable. 4 governors of Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi and Imo supported him. At Abba, Shettima commissioned the 181 megawatts geometric power plant that would serve the commercial city of Abba and a ring-fenced area covering 9 of Abia State's 17 local governments. The optics of both occasions were brilliant and positive for the federal and regional governments. Geometric power in Abba attracted massive publicity and attention, and citizens ululated it for its significance and promise. The significance: Abba Power will address a critical need. Abba, a major commercial and manufacturing hub in southeast Nigeria, has been severely hampered by chronic power shortages. This new geometric power plant addresses this critical infrastructural gap that has stunted productivity and development. Geometric power represents symbolic progress for the company, Abba, and the region. It confirms the region's trajectory of private enterprise and the tradition of striking out against the standard run. The commissioning of this plant represents a significant step towards reliable power supply in the region. It marks a tangible victory against crippling power problems, which have long frustrated residents and businesses alike. Abia Power would potentially catalyze faster economic growth. Consistent power supply is crucial for industrialization and sustainable business growth. Abia Power promises to attract new ventures, support the expansion of existing businesses, and create significant job opportunities. It should improve the quality of life. Reliable electricity enhances residents' overall quality of life in Abia and surrounding areas. With stable power, families can improve their daily lives, students can have more effective study hours, and businesses can thrive beyond daylight limits. It could lead to demographic shifts and the expansion of Abia and increase its appeal and attraction. With regular power, Enyimba city would grow in interest and appeal among cities in the south of Nigeria. The potential: Abia Power would boost manufacturing in the city, renowned for innovatively cobbling things together. Abia Power can revitalize and supercharge this sector and transform this city into an even more productive regional hub. It can expand Abia's service sector. Improved power supply will allow growth in the service sector. Businesses in hospitality, entertainment, information technology, and many others can now operate with fewer restrictions and provide enhanced services. A guaranteed power supply is vital in attracting foreign and domestic investment. Abia Power could position the city as an attractive destination for diverse economic ventures. Abia Power's success could be a successful model for other regions facing power challenges. This pilot could spark similar initiatives across Nigeria, catalyzing more comprehensive improvements in the nation's power sector. Obi Cubana plans massive investment in Abia. Billionaire businessman and founder of Cubana Group, Obinna Iyiegbu, popularly called Obi Cubana, is planning a mega factory in Abia State. The billionaire has begun the process of acquiring land to enable him to expand his footprints in Abia. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.